Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a deck that was requested and a fairly new release. This is the Phantasma Tarot by Paulina Fae. If this artwork looks familiar or the name sounds familiar, this is the same author and artist that brought you the Spirit Song Tarot, which I will link in the eye up there. So this is published by US Game Systems and it retails for $22.95. And like I said, it's a fairly new release and it's a nice actual box. It's not a tuck box, which I love. So the back says, Phantasma Tarot draws you into the colorful world of daydreams and magical visions where kindred spirits guide you on an exciting journey through the 78 cards of tarot. You will learn a great deal about yourself from these mentors and mystical creatures. The 76-page guidebook shares their messages and life lessons, as well as instructions for 2 Phantasma Tarot spreads. Amazing. I'm already here for it because of the llama. All right, let's get into it. So nothing of surprise in the box. And let's just take a wee look at the guidebook to see if there's anything pertinent. Looks like the same information from the back. And then the 2 spreads are the spiral spread here. And then the trefoil spread. And then some information about the creator. So what we'll do is after we flip through the deck, we'll pull a card and we'll read from the guidebook to see how it will work out for you. All right. Oh, look at this very gentle back. Very pastel-y. I don't know if you can see the very faint pink in the background, but that's really pretty. All right. Ooh, yay. So no borders and everything is down here for the title and the number. And real fast, let's just take a peek at the cardstock. Your basic US Game Systems cardstock. It's not too thick, not too thin. It does snap back and there's a little sheen to it. So it's not high gloss, but there is a bit of a gloss on there. We'll call it a semi-gloss. I like the addition of like a humanoid figure. That's really fun. Instead of the rabbit being pulled out of the hat, it's the human. That's fantastic. Definitely different. The artwork is beautiful. Very ethereal, fantastical. There's a lot to look at in each picture here. The Mentor. Oh, that's an interesting title. Love it. We still have similar imagery. Oh. I can see this being a pretty gentle deck. The Spirit Song Tarot was gentle. However, for me, sometimes this style of artwork can be a little bit straining on the eyes if I use it every day. But that's just a personal thing. I really do enjoy it though. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's stunning. Cute. Look at these little babies down here. How cute. Wow. Oh, love it. Trying not to get my shadows all on the cards here. Oh, the devil turns into the djinn. Interesting. I feel like that could be taken a few different ways, depending on your knowledge of the legends, I guess. Wow. It's very beautiful. These really feel like meditative drawings, you know, like where you get into this state and you're just drawing whatever comes out of your hand. And I love that. So for this card, it's the Awakening, Judgment. Oh, I love this dragon. Oh, it's a very interesting choice. I really like the scenery. Cute. It's an interesting Eight of Wands. Oh. This is very fun. Very whimsical. I'm here for the whimsy. That dragon down there. Ooh. Yes. Oh, I love this. That is gorgeous. Oh. Okay. I'm only laughing because it's reminding me of, do you guys remember the Dark Crystals? Or the Dark Crystal, the movie? I believe they were called Skeksis, the more evil characters that were trying to take over everything. That's what this reminds me of. And I'm laughing because it shouldn't remind me of the Dark Crystal, but it does. Let me know if you guys feel the same way. This is adorable. I love a flamingo. I feel like I always have some sort of pop culture reference in every video. Like any deck, there's something that reminds me of anything in pop culture. Precious. I love that. Oh. Okay, so this is the cover art. I love, oh my goodness. Look at these little babies here too. I love that. That's really cool. Oh. This guy's interesting down here. These little guys. Oh. This is super whimsical. I'm really digging it. It's very different. I feel like this could be very beginner friendly, but we'll see how the guidebook reads. I feel like each image has great emotions. The facial expressions, the way that the animals are. Like, I feel like you can get the energy pretty decently, even if you don't know what the cards mean. And to me, that's important, especially if it's beginner friendly or a recommendation for a beginner. Oh, I love this. That hat is everything. Yeah, I really do feel like you can get the emotions, the vibe from each card. There's a lot to look at though. Oh, those boots. Yes. I like the bats. That's really cool. Very cool. You can see the seeds sprouting there. I love that. All right, so let's see how these shuffle. And then we will pull a card and see how it reads from the guidebook. Yeah, they're very snappy. I like that. See how they shuffle this way. Oh yeah, they really do glide through very nicely. I do not have a problem with how they shuffle at all. I really like them. That is really nice to see. All right, so we're going to take a look at 9 of Swords. Okay. Let's just check and see if there's a table of contents. Nope, that's all right. Okay. A nightmare has jolted her awake. She's been overthinking and stressing and has reached her breaking point. At the dawn of morning light, she will see that things are not as bad as they seem. By working through her torment, she will regain a state of inner peace. The message: evaluate what's contributing to your anxiety and remember that you have control over how you respond to situations. Keywords: worry, mental anguish, stress, fear, making mountains out of molehills. Then the reverse message would be enduring a stressful situation will make you stronger. Reverse keywords would be recovery, letting go of stress, learning to cope, the light at the end of the tunnel. All right. So my thought process is my thoughts on these cards are I really do like them. I think they're very, very beautiful in their own way. I think they're very unique, very whimsical, very fun. I do think that this is beginner friendly by reading just that one card in the guidebook. There's a lot of information in a very small book. So that's fantastic to see. It gives you an overview of what the illustration is, along with a message, keywords, and reverse meanings too. So I think as a beginner, you can definitely learn on this deck and use this deck. The emotions in each card are there. The scenery is beautiful. I just think it's fun. It's different. It's definitely a very unique deck. Now, with that being said, I would love to know your thoughts on it down in the comment section below. Are you excited about it? Do you own it yet? Are you just going to hard pass it? Let me know what you think, because it's always fun and interesting seeing the different opinions. That's what makes this channel so fun. So with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.